Welcome to Bright Kids Learning! Hello, friends! Let us learn about fruits today. Look! Colorful, taste, and healthy.
This is an apple, red and shiny. It keeps you strong and healthy.
This is a banana, yellow and sweet. Monkeys love it too.
This is an orange, round, and full of vitamin C.
This is a mango blow, the king of fruits. Juicy and yummy.
Fruits make us happy and strong. Eat fruits every day.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Bright Kids Learning.